Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Periyongyan, a practical guide to MDS Periodontology examination. My channel focuses on the questions that is asked in the MDS University Practical Examination. Mainly, channel focuses on one viva question. When is the appropriate time for re-evaluation of initial therapy? So, re-evaluation is defined as the evaluation or assessment of treatment. McGuire et al. In 1992 stated that the primary function of re-evaluation is to determine the effectiveness of scaling and root planing and to review the proficiency of home care. What are the steps in re-evaluation? Bleeding on probing, probing depth and clinical attachment level, pathologic tooth mobility, furcation involvement, assessment of local factors, plaque index and review of oral hygiene. So, when it comes to scaling and root planing, Morrison et al. In 1980 stated that clinical severity of periodontitis is reduced significantly 1 month after the hygienic phase. Proy et al. In 1982 stated that in 1 week there was a significant reduction of probing depth and at 3 weeks further reduction in probing depth occurred. So, bleeding on probing was absent after 3 weeks. American Academy of Periodontology World Workshop Consensus in 1989 reported that between 4 to 6 weeks interval was adequate to assess the initial response to therapy. Pattison and Pattison in 1996 stated that re-evaluation of the patient's tissue response should be done after 2 to 4 weeks. Rylander and Linde in 2003 stated that patients who follow proper oral hygiene measures, healing takes place after 3 to 6 months. Eagleburg et al. In 1999 stated that re-evaluation after non-surgical therapy has to be done 3 months later. Thomas and Mealy in 2004 stated that a time interval of 6 to 8 weeks is required for re-evaluation. Plemons and Eden in 2004 documented that 4 to 6 weeks was adequate for re-evaluation. So, what are the key points we have to bear in mind? After scaling and root planing, there is re-establishment of junctional epithelium to the tooth surface in 1 to 2 weeks. So, re-evaluation before 2 weeks is too early. After scaling and root planing, the repair of connective tissue continues for 4 to 8 weeks. Subgingival microbial repopulation occurs within a few months. That is 2 months after the instrumentation of periodontal pockets in the absence of improved plaque control. Longer than 2 months may be too long to wait for re-evaluation because pathogenic bacteria have already been repopulated the periodontal pockets. Ideal time for re-evaluation is between 4 to 8 weeks. This time period for oral hygiene assessment is sufficient although the patient's oral hygiene tends to relapse if not constantly reviewed during maintenance. A decrease in bleeding on probing, redness and edema occurs within our time period, especially on the anterior teeth and not as well on the teeth that are furcated and multi-rooted. The re-evaluation of tooth mobility after occlusal therapy is most likely to occur after 6 to 12 months. So the references are Stuart L. Segelnick and Mia A. Weinberg, Re-evaluation of Initial Therapy, When is the Appropriate Time? Published in Journal of Periodontology 2006, Volume 77, 1598 to 1601. And Charles Cobb, John Sotasanti, A Re-evaluation of Scaling and Root Planing, published in 2021 in the Journal of Periodontology. Thanks for your patient hearing. And if you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe. All the best for your examination.